Hello. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Come on, then, sit on my lap. Come on, then. No? You want to come sit here? Alright, gang. Come on, then. $1.6 trillion in cuts. That is insane. That is literally insane. Oh, I need to change it. Yes, Daniel, what we saying, bro? How you been, Daniel? Bro, I've got to change this stream now. I just realised I've called it, what do me? Let me just update the name of it. We're in side by side. Yes, Tommy, what we saying, cuzzy? Good morning, good morning. Right, yeah, that's all edited now. Oh, is it updated? Should be sweet, should be sweet. Yes, ladies and gents, or probably just gents, because, well, we're just generally better. I don't mean that like sexist or anything. Yes, Dylan, what we saying, bro? Morning. Morning, my boys. Morning, morning, morning. EK, morning, my broski. Where's Lou? Lou's, personal issues. I mean, I'm not sure I can say, but yeah, it's just, he's with family at the moment, bro. Morning, you handsome fella. Morning, Michael, my fucking familia. I hope we're good, bro. I'm in EU shorts. Am I good? I would say so. The reason why is because obviously the move I'm looking for now is Friday higher for the DXY. So obviously that would push EU down. So I'd say that. What are you aiming for? You aiming for the Friday low? You're probably aiming for the Friday low, aren't you? What are you aiming for? Friday low's quite far in EU actually. Yeah. What are you aiming for? Yeah. EU longs looking clean for buyers once it's 4 hour flips. Yeah, 100%. EU buyers is exactly what we want to see. Realistically, DXY needs to take that Friday high though for an actual switch in the market. I would say, yeah, we need that Friday high, and then obviously, yeah, like what EK said, that flip on the 4 hours is exactly what we need. Just to continue bias, right? Our bias is still bullish on the 4 hour for EU. I want to continue, aim for these highs. We're still within this range. We've come back down, retraced after that bearish news, and we're quite low within the range. So yeah, I'm quite happy for price to start moving on. I just want to see DXY come to that Friday high, and then have that move down. Again, the reason why that works nice is because we've actually got our Friday highs here, I'm pretty sure, which will act as inducement for POIs in this area here. So I really, really like the ideas of the DXY short after taking that Friday high, but obviously we've got to take that Friday high first. So keep our eyes peeled, boys. We're not too far away. I think probably about 10 pips away, probably about a bit less. Oh no, we're actually less. Five pips away. Or 5 prints away. EU buyers from the 1 hour order block is what I'm looking at. What order block? What, down here? Wait, whereabouts? Oh, send your chart in, boys. Send your chart in just so it's a bit easier to read. Makes it a little bit easier. It went swimmingly. Yeah, EG longs of DTO is definitely another decision, another trade that I would say looks really nice. Again, though, still need to retrace a little bit more of the DTO. Again, I'm very bullish Euro today. I want to see, yeah, these TikToks just aren't allowing me to go to stream. Very annoying. I might just stream on that backup account and that richest effects thing, because I can't actually go live on any of these. Shouldn't get banned, let's hope not anyway. I mean, to be fair, this account's not even that amazingly good. Wait, can I put like a restriction on it, like an age restriction? Settings. Right, that should be better. DXY, oh yeah, 0.98, we're close to that Friday high. Come on, just commentate that. Make it easier for us. Make it easier for us. Yeah, so we want to see that come to the Friday high, boys, and then we'll realistically go from there. I think sells on DXY is the move. Short dollar. NFP looks weak. Labour data we've been getting recently is weak. So I'll be short. I'll definitely be short. But again, we need this move to happen. We're only looking for like a 5 pip move on the dollar. What we say on TikTok, bro, we've actually probably not been live on TikTok in like months. Yeah, I would advise trading like US equities or US futures during New York. Always. I'm based in Essex, bro. It's actually a bear. I don't know. I'd never know where to put this fucking thing. No, we'll just put it here, man. But yeah, that's all I'm looking for today, really. Well, for this London session, DXY take that higher than the start of the move from EUGU. But do just bear in mind that it is NFP Friday, and what normally happens on NFP Friday is sort of an anticipation move up until the news. Do you know what I mean? Send order block. I'm looking for a chart check. Lovely stuff, bro. Let's have a look at that then. Nice one, Kieran. Alright, yeah, that 1 hour. Okay, nice. Nice. We're not too far off it as well. Pardon me. I would say initially I'm really looking at that DXY taking that Friday high and then that move there. Which I reckon that'd actually be nice for your trade, to be fair. Trade through would have been here. Coming down. How many years you been traded? How many years you been traded? It's over 6 years now, bro. In total, that is obviously. But like what I always say on NFP Friday, boys, don't jump into positions too quick. Because like what I just said, the anticipation of NFP in the markets is pretty much accumulation. So you're either going to see price accumulate like so, or just retrace or rally slowly to one direction. That's what you normally see. And the thing is that you'd notice as well, most NFP days where you start off trading to the upside is because the news is bearish. Because obviously the market is pricing in all this liquidity. They want to be taking out all the sellers. How do you take out the sellers? Push the market up, and then they will look to sell at news. So that's why normally what you do see is you see one direction until the news. Side note, my favourite band. And then you see the actual main move come through later on after the anticipation of news. After this, we've actually had the print. Bearing in mind, we've got average hourly earnings. We've obviously got NFP, non-farm payroll. And then we've got unemployment change. Unemployment change. So the three main newses today, all at the same time, all at 1:30. So if you are trading New York, please just be careful with that. And again, don't be that guy who stays in the trade, because again, when you trade NFP, the spread gap is opened heavily, and you can lose a lot more than what you think you are risking type shit. EU bearish the Friday low. I'm with you on that one, CL, my boy. I just want to see us take Friday high from. I want to see Friday high take that. Oh, jeez. We check my message for sure, bro. What did you drop me a message on, Kobe? Boys, if you're on the TikTok, I would advise come and join in on the YouTube. I'm over on YouTube. Most of our chats over here, most of our community joins our YouTube, so make sure you join the YouTube. It's about 50 heads in there at the moment. You can actually see my whole screen, plus you can see this beautiful face. I'm actually butt naked as well if you want to come to stream. Oh, to be fair, that shouldn't be the selling point to jump on the stream. Yes, Slappo, my broski. No Louis today, so can't rage bait him. Could rage bait me. Rage bait. Yeah, nice, appreciate it. I'll take a look for sure. Yeah, definitely, man. Yes, Dylan. Let's go, bro. I remember we was talking about that when we was in the office. Lovely stuff, man. Was it the same gaffs that we was asking? Don't worry, mate. Can get rage bait. Ask him about golf. Michael, you see that hair you got on top of your head? I'm gonna shave that off. I'm gonna collect all of your hair and make so many clones that I'm gonna get them all just to attack you. They're gonna be clones, not exactly of you, but of you like 30 years ago when you was a kid. I'm gonna clone 100 infants of you to come and attack you. That's the type of shit I'm on. Eid Mubarak. Fucking hell, I need to fuck that, fuck that one up, didn't I? Eid, I didn't know it was Eid at the moment. I'm 6'4", you can't reach, mate. 6'4". 6'4". What have you got, a rusty head top, bruv? How the fuck are you that tall? What do you mean 6'4"? Like, that's humane. Like, bro, are you like a mutation of a human or some shit? We'll be like Tyrell Lannister. 6'4", holy shit. Man, it's definitely like a... I bet it's so cold on top of your head. I bet there's like less oxygen on top of your head. How are you 6'4", bro? Do you want to stop growing? Do you want to bust me some inches, bro? Okay, not in that way, but do you want to... Never mind. Never mind. Give us an Eid Mubarak, mate. What do you mean? Yeah, it's Eid today. Nice. Shout out to my broskies out in Broski. Shout out to the gang. But no, it wasn't the same ones we were looking at. There were new builds, so needed turf, carpet, etc. We've got relative interview, new build. Oh, okay, nice. Yeah, love that. Yeah, that's a good idea, man. That's exactly that's exactly what I'll probably try and do when I look to get a gaff. Skull just gets fucking summoned. Happily give you some inches, mate. You, for fuck's sake. Oh, I walked into this one, didn't I? Give me some inches. That's a red, surely, Michael. Yeah, trust. That's a red card, bro. That's a red card, man. You know what? Fuck this. I can put my face on there, can't I? I'll put this on plus 18s, or 18 plus. I must be able to. Eid is like saying Merry Christmas on Christmas Day. Wait, does everyone... Wait, I just realised that. Does everyone, what's the word? Does everyone celebrate Christmas, or does not everyone celebrate Christmas? That might sound stupid, innit? But I come from a fucking Catholic household, so I'm not even sure, like... Does everyone, like, does Muslims also? Oh, the Jews don't, do they? They do the old, they do, what's it, like the bro, what the fuck's it called? Hanukkah? Or harmonica? Harmonica. Sounds like the wrong thing. Monica. Monica? Monica. No, that's a name. Bro, what the fuck is it called? Someone help me out. Hanukkah, there we go. Oh, okay. So it was the first one I said. Hanukkah. Are you bearish on NAS? I would be bearish US equities, yeah, bro. I don't trade like equities, but I would say bearish US equities, defo. Defo. Harmonica. Fuck's sake. I think I cooked that spelling. Harmonica. What the fuck is a harmonica then? Oh shit. Man, I might buy one of them. They're £4. I feel like I should buy it. Father's Day? When the fuck is Father's Day? Yo, I actually started tearing up there, low-key. Yo, I actually low-key started tearing up there. I know kids. But it's NFP today, so maybe after. Yeah, I would trade after, bro. We're going to get sort of a accumulative session up until then, really. What's your bias on yen basket? The yen's pretty at risk at the moment. The BOJ do have a bit of pressure on their monetary policy. Sorry, maybe I forgot you was there. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Sorry. You'll get over it though. You'll get over it. Are you going live and share setup? Yeah, bro. Louis going to be live for New York session. Yes, RC, what we saying, bro? Alright, boys, if you're on a TikTok, you actually want to sit and watch this stream with me, and we're going to pretty much be training GU, EU, DXY this whole session throughout till probably about 10, half 10. Jump in the YouTube stream. Same as our Instagram, just Rich SFX, if you want to come join up on there. Mimi, you're a cute little doggy, boy. I'm bullish EG, bro. I'm bullish EG. He's looking for this long off the DTO today. Let's see what happens there. Hey, we got Lou in New York session. Trust me, we got a bit of a flip today. And boys, I'm going to say this again. We're doing a 200k giveaway next Friday. We're giving away a 200k ACG account. We're giving away discounts left, right, and centre. Pardon me. So boys, make sure you're in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, man, you man are moving crazy. You think I'm crazy? You man are fucking crazy for that. You can't trade DX1, mate. Yeah, you can, Dylan. Yeah, we're just not moving. We haven't actually moved for like the last hour. I ain't gonna lie. And I've actually been on stream since 6:30. I'm gonna be on stream for total 6 hours, 5 hours. Friday morning energy on Mace is crazy, trust me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. I shouldn't be on TikTok. I'm probably gonna get banned on this account. Come on, Dick, so I'll take that fucking eye, you bastard. Lou Duckadika, wait, what? Wait, why? Wait, what's going on? Mate, if you offer passing, no, those 200Ks, they're with Optimal Traders, bro. It's a complete different prop firm, but we can source their accounts for 50% off in it. That's a little tune, that, bro. No kid. Mate, he's buzzing for the weekend just to sit there twiddling his thumbs waiting for Monday. Alright, no cap, bro. Yo, no cap. I don't think you boys know, I honestly don't think you boys know how much canny I'm going to be smoking this weekend. I refuse to go a minute of sobriety. I refuse. Is it just me? But you, bro, I'd fast track the weekends, no cap. At the moment, I actually would fast track weekends. I swear down, only thing I do is tear a Zane. Is black out on a Zuki. That's the only thing I do on the weekends at the moment. And play golf. And play golf. But at the moment, I'm not playing golf. Fuck no. I'm not playing golf at the moment, man. Sick of it. Sick of it. I shot 116 last time I played. And no. Oh no, I don't have cerebral palsy before you ask. Oh no, I don't have any major disabilities with my hands or eyes or anything. No, I don't actually have I'm just shit at golf, man. I'll be honest, man. I'll be so honest with you, man. Boxing, that's it, bro. Honestly, the only thing I'm going to be doing this weekend is working out, because I'm fat as shit. Avoid playing golf and smoke as much canny as I possibly can. I would fast track the weekends if I could. Probably save my health, to be honest. Do you know what I'm saying? Hey, Alexis, she's unreal. Yes, Tommy, what we saying, my broski? Cause you think I'm crazy. Go back to the driving range, mate. But that's the worst part. You go to the driving range, for some reason you hit every shot good. Every shot I'll hit a pitching wedge 130, and I'll hit 300 yard, or like just below 300, because at the moment I'm just new to a driver. So I'm hitting about 280 drives, which is nice. Yeah, perfect. It's all you need. It's all you need. Oh! As soon as I go to a place where it's about 40 minutes away, I've got to pay about £40 to play. That's when I start playing shit. That's when I lose all my balls, I lose all morality, and I lose all sort of like belief in myself that this is going to go well. For some reason, I still play the game of golf. I don't know why. Why is golf the sport where you could be so shit, but it's so enticing to continue playing? It's like, I don't even know what it's like. It's actually nuts, blood. I ain't gonna lie. Golf is such a hard sport, and to try and not get angry is fucking impossible. It's impossible. Literally impossible. When I played at the weekend, when I played in the week, I played Tuesday, I think. I played Tuesday. Yeah, I played Tuesday. I don't know where you guys are from. I played over Epping. I'm Essex, so some of you boys probably know Epping. I played over Epping. Every pin location, yeah, every single one, from hole 1 to hole 18, fuck you not, was literally, I don't know, probably about, yeah, I'd probably say, I don't know, about that much off the fringe. Every hole, bro, every hole. So you get it on, you do it, like you could putt. If you putt too much, it's going off the green. And I lost it at like a hole 4, bro. Bro, I swear, I blobbed about 3 holes in a row. I don't think any of them were a par 3 either. So I was hitting like fucking 8s on a 4 and 10s on a 5. Epping, geez, we are local. My fucking broski, I'm gonna spud you in the... Yeah, no, Epping's a good course though, man. Whoever the fuck picked the pin locations on the weekend, I would love to crash corn at you, because that is actually a mockery. Hey, I wasn't on the stream earlier, just watching up now. I saw there was a potential break on USD that ended up reversing, trying to learn what was the reason you didn't take the trade. So, my first reason is that this will be every NFP Friday. You do not want to be getting in too early. You don't. You want to be if you're I would say London session actually probably doesn't actually give any trades. Few reasons. Up until the actual print of NFP, you're going to get a very accumulative, a very high manipulative, low volume market, right? Which is not where you want to be. High volatility with low volume makes a very thin market. Very thin, meaning that anything can move price. Everyone in the financial market is waiting for NFP to come out. So price is not going to move. So talking about risk to sort of risk to stress, you just don't want to be in any trades through London session, alright? That's point 1. Point 2, we was looking for the bias on EU to be longs, which is perfect. I'm still looking for longs on EU. But DXY has not taken any major liquidity levels yet. I want to see it come and take that Friday high. Once it's taken that Friday high, then we can look for the move down. Also, this happens pretty much every NFP. When we're pretty much priced in, say for example, at the moment we're priced in for a bearish NFP, right? Which is negative for the dollar, low, that was gay. Why did I do that? Like lower employment, right? When we've got bearish news, for the start of the day, we tend to move up and then we move down, okay? Because we want, pretty much how the market works is we need enough people buying in order for the big money to sell. So we need to have people buying here. So if you're someone who's buying, you're probably going to get manipulated within the next few hours. If you're someone who's waiting for the sells, you could well indeed get a better feeling than shooting a nut. No cap. And there's not many better feelings than that. No cap. No cap. And then also, bearing in mind, bro, something that Stu pointed out this morning, which to be fair, I didn't actually see it until we said it, is that we had DTO. Price come up to the DTO and we had a lovely reversal of the DTO. And when you get that rejection of the DTO, you don't want to be in any positions. If anything, you want to be in sells. You don't want to be in buys because your prostate will get eaten like a fucking sandwich. That's the last thing you want. Who wants an eaten up prostate? What even is a prostate? I need to type this shit up because I keep using that word, but I don't even know what the fuck that shit is. Okay, I just saw a pic. Okay, I don't want to see that. Fucking hell. So yeah, same for EG. I'm looking for price to come down. I'm bullish euro. I'm bullish euro all day long. Economy-wise, euro is strong. Capital inflows is insane. Monetary policy sitting nice. Inflation at 2%. Interest rates at 2%. Man, I'll be real. They've landed softly, the euro. Euro bullish as fuck. Like I said, capital inflows is huge. We're seeing foreign investments coming to the euro, not coming to the US, considering high assets. UK high risk. Thailand. Rah, bro, I need to get back there for real. But Asia, you're looking at pretty much higher risk equities, high risk business, high risk economy. So a lot of shit is getting shifted into the euro at the moment, which is perfect. So longs EU, longs EG, and we go from there, boys. Pretty much just want to actually see something actually come up. That's what we want to see. And then we'll be happy. Thanks anytime, Miha, my broski. Anytime, brother. This is why we don't trade Mondays and Fridays for real, C. Montana. Sorry, bro. Show us your broker's account. Here we go. We got one of these fellas that only cares about profits. Right. Hopefully we commentate this within the next 15 minutes, I'll be honest. That's what, not 15 minutes, within the next sort of hour. I'll be happy. And then we'll start seeing that move to the downside, hopefully, and we'll go from there, boys. We'll go from there. Going Bali in 7 weeks. Can't wait for it. Yo, that's lit. That's lit, bro. Whereabouts you going in Bali? No, mate. I'm one of them that knows you're chatting bear pony. My name's Aiden. I started trading a week ago. Now I know exactly what I'm talking about. The reason why you ain't going to show your demo account. First of all, I'm funded with prop firms. All of their accounts are demos. Second of all, get a new haircut, you ugly bastard. Stay mad. No, that's nice. A 7 week, bro. I love that, man. I want to go Bali as well, man, but I've got so many people out in Thailand. Like, even people that are currently living there that I actually would just go back there before that. But I do want to go Bali and that, man. Island hopping, bro. 2 weeks there, like 3 to 4 days in each place. Love that, man. Are you going with your missus? Nice, bro. Love to hear that. Man, I'll touch a nerve. Touch a nerve? You ain't touched nothing, bro. I'm just saying, you've got a shit haircut. Show us your funded account. Shut up, Aiden. Get a new trim, broski. I passed my first 100k with ACG. Pew! They labelled me high risk. Yeah, they do that, bro. If you used high risk, they will put you on a high risk account. You'll have a lot lower leverage. Your leverage will be like 1 to 30, which normally, obviously, with a prop firm, is 1 to 100. So funny when people try to put shade on Rich S, they don't know. Trust me, bro. This guy don't know. I've live streamed London session and New York session for about 2.5 years now. I don't need to show any accounts, bro. At the end of the day, I couldn't give 2 fucks if you think I'm profitable or not. I've said this to everyone. Couldn't give a fuck. There's a reason. What is that on my desk, bruv? Bro, is that literally fermented semen? What is that? Yo, that's crazy. Risk 1% per trade. So nice. Ball knows ball. Don't listen to this guy and message. Not being funny, bro, but there's 11 people in here. Probably got one of the biggest communities in the UK. Gone live for ages. Oh, listen, I'm going to show you a brokerage account where I've high risked and earned £1,000. Oh, well done, mate. I made £2,000. Aiden straight away come in this live and start talking shit, by the way. Like, Aiden, I've seen way too many people like you come and go, bro. Like, trust me, you're, like, I mean, I'm not even gonna talk to this little flid anymore. But yeah, ball knows ball. Well, I want to see that come to the Friday high now, boys. Mimi, stop being a needy little fucker. No, pal, did 18k yesterday. Oh, he did 18k yesterday, but still talking shit on socials. Fair play, bro. Fair play. The thing is as well, I didn't say anything about making money or nothing. Yeah, I'm the one who's talking shit. I made 18 grand yesterday. Oh, but I'm still gonna have a shit haircut. Nor am I gonna change my poor attitude to others. Bro made some profits and now he's going around on TikTok. Show me your brokerage account, show me your brokerage account. Bro, you're finding advantage. You're on a B brokerage account and you're talking about show me your brokerage account. Shut up, brother. Shut up. Shut up. I'll be honest, I actually mad wish you can have GIFs on that on TikTok and YouTube stream, man. That would be funny. That's what I'll be honest, that's what makes Discord streams sick. Because of the GIFs. Literally because of the GIFs, innit? I'll be real, that is like one of the funniest things. 21st every month will be my 2-year anniversary in Riches. Come on! Love that, man. 2 years in Riches, now he's buying a new gaff. He's buying a fucking going on holiday with Bali with his missus. Man, stay fucking consistent, boys. One thing that Dylan's always done is stay consistent. Stayed hella consistent. I love to hear that. Yeah, the gifts carry hard. Yeah, they're lit, man. They're so lit. Yes, 4X, my bro. How you been, man? How you been? I'll be real. Any member that's actually stayed with us has actually done sick. Like Dylan, done 30. Phoenix, done 30. Off the top of my head, I actually can't think of pairs because a lot of people actually were learning our stuff and just like Phoenix, like she doesn't talk much in the group type shit. But someone who stayed consistent for ages and just continued with the same strategy. What am I even talking about? You boys know exactly why she's done well. You know what I'm saying? We know exactly why. She's actually stuck to it. A lot of people don't stick to shit. That's what I like to hear, my boy. I am my side. Yeah, I'm loving the idea of EG buys though still. Still loving those ideas. No, still not swept the high, T. Still not swept the high. In fact, I might pull my eyes out. I actually might pull my eyes out. Man, I wish I'd bun the Zane before I jumped on this motherfucker. DXY. Can you just take the high? Come take the high before you get it, boy. Consistency is all it is, bro. That's it, man. That's it. That's it. Discipline is. If you don't have discipline, you're not making it. I swear to God. And also, if you focus on other people too much, you're not gonna make it. If you focus on what other people are doing. I mean, that's the same as anything, right? It's the same as any game, boys. Consistency's key. Staying in your own lane's key. Shutting the fuck up and getting on with it's key. Sounds like 3 stupid points, but that's the formula to fucking actually winning. EG and DXY just pissing about, looking like no trade. Have a good weekend, lads. See you lot Monday. Slappo, love you, my boy. I'll speak to you on Monday, man. Again, straight back on Monday, 6:30 pre-London stream. We're ready for this shit. Oh yeah, it did. Took it on TVC. I don't trust TVC for shit, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's gotta be a capital com trade for, otherwise it ain't a trade for. Without commitment, you'll never start, but without consistency, you'll never finish. No cap, I'm pinning that to the fucking stream. Nah, for real, bro. Like on my mama's, nothing else actually really matters. If you're consistent, bro, you can be consistently shit. Like, it don't even matter. You can be consistent, but as long as you've got the skill of consistency, at some point you're gonna make it. I swear to God. At some point you will make it, even if you're consistently doing something wrong. At some point you'll end up consistently getting it right. Trading's a game of trial and error. It's a game of lose then win. Same as most shit, right? I want to say this. I want to add this point as well, because I think this is a really good point. People need to stop acting like trading's a way to make a fuck ton of money. It is. It totally is, right? But if you think about it from that perspective from the get-go, it's going to be difficult, because you're going to be absolutely humbled and realise that's not the case at the start. For the first 10 years, 15 years, it's a really good way to make the same or, well, a little bit more money than what you would from a 9 to 5. But the benefits that come with it is freedom. And freedom, you can't pay for, boys. You can't, from a monetary perspective, you can't pay for time. So, pick your lane, motherfucker. That's why I'm chilled, boys. That's why I'm here on a Friday morning. But that's why I was able to play golf on a Tuesday morning at like fucking 10 AM. That's how this morning I'm able just to sit here on stream, talk to the broskies, and look at the market. I don't even trade Fridays. I'm here because I've got far too much time on my hands. Freedom over cash, boys. I'll be so honest. Freedom over cash. Again, you can't take money to the grave, but goddamn, can you take memories? Type shit. Do you use fundamentals, bro? 158%, bro. Yeah, I use fundamentals all the time. You can probably hear Bloomberg in the background. Just treat trading like a job. That's it, bro. Treat it like a job. Treat it like a business, or whatever you want to call it. Business or job. Do you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. My guy, come on, Nathan. There's enough people in this game that don't look at fundamentals. Enough dudes. First time I spoke to someone on TikTok that uses fundamentals. Oh, bro, I'm heavy on fundamentals, man. Heavy on fundamentals. I'll tell you what, I'll tell you my bias because of fundamentals. So, the reason why I'm looking at the short sticks, well, so this is my plan, really, Nathan, alright? I don't trade Fridays, but obviously I'm streaming on TikTok now, sorry, on YouTube. There's about 50 dudes in there. Just looking to help those out for the Friday trades. Obviously, as we know, it's NFP Friday. What tends to happen on NFP Friday is, well, depends on where the news is going. We'll push in one direction, and then for the rest of the day, we'll push in the opposite direction. So that's why we're looking for the bullish move towards that Friday high, and then that move down. The reason why I'm bearish, the reason why I'm looking for EU as well, the EU longs, not the GU longs, is because the euro is definitely way more bullish. Capital inflows is high. Very positive for the, yeah, bullish EU. Yeah, bro knows. Bro knows. Man, I love that shit. Great minds think alike, broski. No cap. But yeah, pretty much the reason why is, again, the euro's bullish. Why? Capital inflows is huge, so foreign investment's massive. Inflation's at its 2% target. Boom, boom, boom. Interest rate is also at 2%. The brilliant thing about the interest rates at the moment, they probably won't get cut until later on in the year, maybe the last quarter of the year. Why? Because everything's aligning perfectly. They don't need to cut interest rates anymore. Inflation's at its target. Also, the US is high risk, so even more of a reason for the US to be bullish. The labour side of the US is bearish. We got data come out yesterday, which was very bearish. Oh, let me put that back on my screen. Fuck. What was the data like yesterday for unemployment? That come out to 50k. Was expected to come lower, which would have been bullish for the currency. And then, yeah, it actually come out bullish. So the dollar is so weak, it's actually a joke. That's got to be Friday high now. Perfect. Right, cool. Now we're looking for price to come down. It would actually be perfect if EU comes to that Friday low. That's what CL was looking for. I don't know if he's still here. EUG longs the blood fire. Trust me, bro. That's what I'm looking for. No cap. Dollar is bearish. Dollar's so bearish, it's a joke. High risk, very high risk. Indices long too. Yeah, indices all long. Bearing in mind the US are looking at a cut of interest rates quite soon, which will obviously make equities come up, or indices, whatever you want to call them, equities, indices, they'll go up. Local currencies, so the US dollar will come down. Bearing in mind we've got higher risk in the Bank of Japan at the moment, which is probably not even pulling money to the dollar, it's actually probably pulling money to the Swiss franc, the other safe haven currency. Let's actually have a look at the Swiss franc. I want to keep my eyes on that, see if safe haven's looking a bit more better over in Switzerland. Let's have a little look. GC, okay, no, yeah, GC's coming down. The reason why we're seeing GC come down at the moment is because obviously BOJ's high risk. The reason why I'm talking about the yen, well, I say that, the yen's at higher risk because of the BOJ monetary policy. The Fed. So obviously when you're looking at these two economies being pretty high risk, they're not going to be our main currency safe haven. So our main currency safe haven is going to be the Swiss franc. That's meant to be an F. I've just got severe cerebral palsy. So Swiss franc's probably going to be the commodity, the safe haven currency that's going to be booming right now, taking money away from Japan, taking money away from the dollar, making the dollar even more weaker. I'm so weak on the dollar, it actually hurts my brain. I've seen so much data coming up recently. Again, the data that's coming out today as well, bearing in mind, we've got average hourly earnings, that's bullish for the dollar, so that looks good. NFP is obviously coming out 50k lower, which is very bearish for the dollar. We'll see how that actually comes out on print, because that's never bang on correct. Unemployment 4.2%. I'll be honest, I wouldn't even forecast that. I'm forecasting for unemployment rate to be higher, especially from the unemployment claims coming up, bouncing up. So yeah, I'm really looking at such a bearish dollar. I reckon for the next month. We need some more data telling us otherwise, really. Type shit. Hey, big bro, you earn my follow still. Come on, my boy. I'll be honest, bro. Fundamentals is something that I'm heavily into. Have been for the last like 2 years. Again, when you got a fundamental outlook and you trade it against your technicals, bro, like everything just feels so much more comfortable. I feel so comfy in trades, man. It's actually so nice. So yeah, UJ bullish. I'd say yeah, nice. The thing is about BOJ, their inflation being higher obviously does help the economy go bullish, but then that means they will. Actually, I need to see their. Let me get all of their data up. Actually, BOJ's one. Belgium first. Let's have a look. For the past 3 to 4 weeks, there's been a lot of bank holidays for the Euro and for the UK as well. We've had May bank holidays. No, we have actually. You're right, we've had quite a lot. A lot. Is it their government bonds? Let's look at their what are their bonds saying? Oh no, it's not bonds. What are the bonds called in Japan? Let's look at the Japan 30-year. Okay, yeah, yields lower. So if yields are lower, that means safe havens are getting bought up, which is obviously really good. Safe havens. We're seeing bonds getting bought up, hence why the lower yield. Lower yield obviously meaning lower government payback on money borrowed. So to be honest, in terms of bonds, we look really positive for the yen. Obviously not at the lowest point we've seen, but still very, very strong for the currency. Quantitative easing, yeah, buy government bonds, yes. I've been trading for 6.5 years, or near enough 6.5 years, bro. They control interest rates. Quantitative easing, BOJ buys bonds, if there's pump money into the economy, decrease liquidity. Interest low, yeah. That's the thing. Interest rates for the Bank of Japan need to stay low because that's definitely what benefits their economy. That's exactly what's gonna. Well, sorry, no, they need to keep interest rates higher, sorry. I said a complete wrong thing. But what are they looking to do at their next decision? I need to watch, because they had some, what did they have? Was there a meeting today? For Japan? I can't actually remember. Right, I want to see this 5-minute fair value get traded through, and then we can start seeing that reversal move. We've still got about 2 minutes for this candle, so we'll wait for this fair value to actually fully form. Tom Metcalf, fucking hell, he's got a big ass fucking neck, hasn't he? If I hit a 1 to 4 to Asia high, I'll pass a 10k, it'll be 1k off of 50k. Lovely stuff, cuzzy. Take it slow, be patient though. Remember, it's NFP Friday. Today's a very high risk day, very cumulative day, so make sure you don't get bent over and filled in like fucking cream pie. Okay. I actually completely forgot that cream pie is actually exactly what that means. Rice almost doubling in price. Yeah, we are getting everything's getting more expensive, isn't it? Right, a lot of the agriculture side of stuff. What else come up? Was it just rice? I think it was actually, yeah, rice was the main one. Obviously for Japan, for like China and that's huge, or like India, anywhere in Asia really. Oh, for the yen you mean? We've seen agriculture come up as well. Anyway, that's what we've been seeing come up quite highly. Oh no, it's not agriculture. What do you actually call all of that rice, wheat, and all that? I can't remember the actual trading name for it. Really nice reaction from it. Touch my order block now, waiting for the chart. Wait, what are you looking at, Kieran? A short? Just woke up from my lay-in on NFP. Oh my days, I just got a text, man. Dylan, I just got a text. You should come back out and but try barley. We're going July to September. I think we might have to go away for a bit. Yes, for sure. Hopefully indices gives the move today. I reckon it will be, really. Soft commodities, yeah. Again, we're still in these markets of highly difficult times, right? Because again, the market is really reacting to every little bit of news that's coming out, like literally every little bit of news, and that's normally not always the case. And this is what I mean by thin markets, boys. That's what I mean about thin markets. You a cute little motherfucker, you know that. Why are you out of breath? Good, EG. We're also looking for EG to complete this. I don't think we're really going to come up that high, but we'll have it on there anyways. You're a cute little doggy. Make sure I follow you back, Nathan. My bro. I'm not gonna lie, you meet some good people on TikTok though, to be fair, man. I've met some really nice people. I mean, to be fair, all you boys probably come from TikTok, really. Oh yeah, boys, I'm live on YouTube, by the way. You probably think I'm just sitting here talking to myself. I'm actually not. I got voices in my head. You talk to me. This is the GU we hit this week. This was Tuesday trade, all on YouTube stream. This was. I actually might make a video on this because this was all done on stream. Bro, serious, met some good. Yeah, man. Honestly, I've met some really I've got quite a big community, Nathan, and honestly, literally 95% of them come from TikTok, innit? Or probably about 90% of them come from TikTok. Like, we used to have a pretty big TikTok back in the day. Obviously, bro, we got banned left, right, and centre. Makes sense though, man. You can't keep Mace and Louis on socials. We're gonna end up saying something crazy, bro. It's just how Essex people are, I guess. Living side by side. Yeah, Tuesday. That was Tuesday. I didn't have this placed though. This was like a live stream trade. This was a New York trade. I only trade London sessions, so this wasn't a trade I got into. The trade I got into this week was the long on EU yesterday off the DTO. Just a little nice 1 to 5. Getting my 200k challenge a little bit closer to passing, and also place on a 200k account as well, which is quite nice. Funded. So, although it has been slow, boys, this is the thing. Slow and steady does win the race, boys. How many people have you seen get large payouts and now they're not trading? How many times have you seen me get fucking small trades, minimal amount of trades, and we're still in this game, right? Don't be that guy who aims for like 11R trades or places so many fucking trades that he doesn't even know where the bias is at anymore. Yeah, I think I'm in the same entry on EU. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. EG's coming down. We'll see how this goes. Again, I don't trade Fridays as well. So, again, anything that I'm showing on the screen today, boys, I'm not placing. So if you're one of those people that sort of copies a trade that I get into, this isn't one of them. Just speculations on Friday. Always will be. Friday's not a trading day, and that will stay like that for me. Friday's a shit day. Data-wise, statistically, it was awful for me, and I don't plan on changing anything right now with Fridays. Oh, this dog's bare cute, man. Just look at this doggy. Well, I'll say this again, man. Dogs are just so cute. Fluffy little fucking thing. This one, innit? Fucking hell. Wait, let me turn my camera on this. You man can also see me. And I'll turn the camera on this again. Here we go. Yo, why's my head bare squish? Oh, there we go. But yeah, we see how it does now. Look how cute this motherfucker is. Look at that motherfucker. Hugging. Little toot, Beverly gang. Give her a little tongue. Give him a little tongue, bitch. Give him a little tongue. Give him a little tongue. Okay, never mind then. Do you think EU will take previous day low? It's got potential, 100%. It's got potential. It's moving to that area. It could do. I'll be lying if I said I knew. I'll be blatantly lying to you. But yeah, we'll see how it does, nonetheless. Actually quite a miracle I haven't been taken off TikTok yet. I don't know how I'm actually still allowed on it. Living side by side. Why did you come live yesterday? We haven't been live on TikTok in ages, bro. Yeah, we just haven't been. It's always YouTube. Boys, if you're not fucking subbed to the YouTube, you man are crazy, bro. Let me get the YouTube up on this phone, I'll show you. But yeah, boys, jump onto the YouTube, man. We're live on YouTube every single day. That's me online right now. Yeah, boys, sub to that shit, man. Live every day. You ever need help with charts, or if you've got any questions about trading, sub to that shit, man. How many subs are we actually on? How many subs are we on? 1.5k. We getting there, boys. Wait, look at that revenue from YouTube, though. I might quit trading. How much have we earned in total? £14. Yeah, I'm quitting trading. There's actually no need to trade anymore. I found my real money earner. No, but for real though, make sure you sub to that shit, boys. Make sure you sub. I want to see at least one sub on here, innit? I want to see one new sub, and then I'll get this off the screen. Someone better sub, otherwise I ain't moving. Test me as well. Do you think EU would take previous day low? I've already read that comment, mate, you thick bastard. I might as well say again, I don't know. It could do. It definitely could do. Boys, don't take the piss out of me here. Don't make me get my nan to sub to me or something, bro. Like I said in chart check, waiting for the fair value gap to be invalidated, yeah. Oh, he's got sunny. Fucking hell. Wait, is it just me, or yesterday was like the only rainy day I've seen in weeks, and it was the best trading day? I might literally just trade on rainy days, like I swear down. I might just fuck off all sunny days of trading. Doesn't make sense. Whenever the first day I haven't had a trade in like 3 weeks, except from yesterday. It's like the only day in like a month that it's been raining. So man, this is Euro GBP, bro. So it just says at the bottom of the chart right there. Yeah, that's it, bro. That's it. Oh shit, here now, bro. That nearly fell right on top of my. Oh, what's happened here, bro? This is going way too close to my face. What did I do there, bro? How do I change that? Bro, how do I change this? How do I change this, bro? Bro, short EU soon. Why the fuck are you shorting EU? Why didn't you short EU this morning, bro? The fuck? Why have you waited for it to get bare low? Going to be so bearish for NFP. Well, you reckon bullish NFP? Why is that, bro? Move the mouse. Oh, sorry, bro. What's the mouse? Oh, sorry, my bad. No, I know that's what you meant, but how is it bearish? What's bearish about NFP today? Well, what you're pretty much saying is that the dollar is bullish for this NFP, right? So, what's your reasoning? I'm actually genuinely just asking. I'm not taking a piss or anything. I'm just like, boys, I'll be honest here. If you talk to me seriously, I'll talk to you back seriously. If you start talking like a dickhead, I'll take the piss out of you straight. I respect people who come in here and give their opinions, though, man. I love it. But like, what's your reason behind it? Hey, there's an E dog. Yes, E dog. Bro, there's a K dog, E dog. I'm sure there's another dog in our group chat somewhere. Dog. What was that video where that guy was like naming off like his like American football team? What was it, bro? E-Dog since young, come on, my boy. EUGU, yeah, EUGU longs, bro. That's what I'm looking at. Where did you learn about the macroeconomics? Well, to be fair, boys, I'll be honest, I was quite lucky because I do know a few traders that traded Central London in Central London for like 30 years, and some that traded in Wall Street at some point. Luckily, I have like family mates, like close family friends that did trade, so I was able to get a lot of info from them. I also did a macroeconomic. I also did an economics course on, can't remember the website name. I did that about 2 years ago, and then I've just been pretty much just fucking watching Bloomberg every single day, and just learning what data do you need in order for monetary policy to be balanced. Pretty much just anything about the economy I've learned. If it's got anything to do about the economy, I will learn it. I'll be honest, boys, and like the reason why, okay, so the main reason why, obviously, it's fucking fundamental analysis is needed, right? It's fucking needed. If you don't use fundamentals, I actually don't believe that you're comfortably profitable. I actually find that really hard to believe in it. Because at the end of the day, strategies are great, fantastic, but once you get into a markets like the markets we're in now, that's when you're going to be on the back foot and you're going to get pummeled. Absolutely pummeled. Pummeled. I love that word, pummeled. I'm going to start using that more. Pummeled, I like that. I believe that we'll see, yeah, bro, last call economy in the US was recovering, dollar being on a decline for a little while. Yeah, but that's because of their economy, bro. Their economy is just getting absolutely whacked. You got to bear in mind as well. We literally just got bearish labour news yesterday. We literally got bearish labour news yesterday, innit? And then plus, it's already forecast to be bearish NFP. The only thing that's looking bullish is average hourly earnings. But if unemployment doesn't go up and average hourly earnings goes up, then you're still not getting a tightening of the labour market. The labour market isn't tightening up, especially with what came out yesterday. Unemployment claims being higher, loads of large companies getting rid of people, Doge as well. To be fair, that Doge thing has actually really helped the US economy, but even still, high risk, shit labour side at the moment, inflation's too high, interest rates haven't been cut yet, so... Yeah, I'll be real, it's difficult, bro. It's difficult. Again, I'm not looking to trade it because it's just not worth it for me. But I love having my point of view. Do you not trade XU? XU, what? Gold or silver? Silver. Or is that XAU? Actually, can't remember. It's XAG. Sorry, gold. I don't trade gold, bro. I'll never trade gold. Honestly, honestly, man, it's just pointless. There's so many reasons why this. Literally, first reason why not to trade gold is that the markets can move absolutely fucked within a day. Nothing like the FX. Nothing like FX. FX is there's so much money in the FX getting traded through FX every day. Trillions of dollars getting traded through FX daily. That makes the movements a lot more smaller because there's so much liquidity. With gold, it's a lot more thinner. So you can have news and you'll see price push up fucking miles. You might think, oh yeah, that's great for profits, but what a lot of people don't realise is you've got the other side of the market where you could be on the flip side and get brutally, I can't say that, brutally pummeled, I'd say. Another reason as well is you never know when a war is going to break out. If a war breaks out, the currency's going flying, going up or down. If it goes down, it's going way past your stop loss again. I said this yesterday about a lot of people. Because someone tried to tell me that trading news is just as risky as normal trading. So false, it's a joke. The reason why, because when you're in a news trade, when you're in a trade whilst news, to be fair, I disagree if you're swing trading gold. But that's a completely different story though, bro. That's a completely different story. I don't think any of us in here swing gold. I'll be honest, if you're looking, swing gold is just always going to be buyers. It just always is going to be buyers. But again, you make fuck all money from it, so it's pointless. It's pointless. From swinging gold, you actually don't make that much money unless you're high risking. So I wouldn't even bother. Plus, I'll be real. I've always traded intraday, so it's just always been easier on my sort of mind. You know, if I start trading swing. Do you know what I'm saying? You've got to be, for my opinion, for you to trade swing, you've got to be in the game for at least 30 years or at least 20 years. Because the reason why people swing trade is because they look from a massive macroeconomic point of view. Like literally a yearly point of view or a quarterly point of view. Which, if you're that good at trading to actually gauge the bias for a whole quarter, fair play, man. I'll let you fuck my bitch, no cap. No, cat. No, I can't be saying that, man. What the fuck? Yeah, it's true as well. It's very true. Swing gold is just investing. It's true. That's very true. Not trading, in my opinion. No, that is true. I'd say that's more of a fact than an opinion. It definitely is more investing because swing traders do normally. You are looking at more of a sort of a monthly to a quarter to a yearly perspective. Like, bro, I could swing trade gold, bro. I could literally fucking... Do I have any gold? No, I don't actually fuck with gold. I'm a silver dude. I fuck with the silvers. Like, who else actually prefers silver jewellery over gold? Like, I'm not gonna cap. I actually mad prefer silver over gold. I don't know if it's just because I'm white and like silver looks better on a white dude. Silver clears, yeah, facts, man. I'm silver all over, man. I've got a silver butt plug in right now. I would show you in it, but I can't show you, man. You're just gonna have to take my word for it, gang. How long are you trading? Just over 6 years now, bro. About 6.5. Yeah, silver's clear of gold. Yeah, I'm with you on that, man. For real. Euro looking quite strong. Are you holding GU still going high? Yeah, the Euro's very strong. Yeah, for watches as well, man. I'll be real. Gold watches actually, to me, just look bare fake. Do you know what I mean? Like, they look so... I don't know, it's weird, man. They just look so fake. I think you man know what I mean. We're coming really high. We're actually coming to the imbalance that I was looking at yesterday, which is really nice. For real, like, I can't actually tell the difference between a fake gold watch and a fucking real gold watch. Plus, one thing as well, you can get plated gold. I don't think you can get... Oh, no, you definitely can get plated silver. But, I mean, you just wouldn't. Like, there's just no point. Well, EG, come down a little bit more, please. That's it, boy. Calm down a little bit, you fucker. It's a buy limit, yeah, bro, but I've not actually got it placed. I don't trade Fridays. But yeah, that would be a buy limit. It's the only thing I'm looking at right now. We haven't seen that reversal on DXY or EUGU yet, so we'll keep our eyes out. EU will be nice to come take its Friday low. This will be perfect. I'll probably jump off in the next 15 minutes, boys, because I'm not going to lie, I've been streaming since 6:30. So 4 hours is enough for me. Fucking hell, I might have to gouge my eyes out in a minute. And I do need to go work out as well. And walk the dog. And fuck a load of mamas. No, I'm playing. Full Port Friday. Full Port Friday. Man, who remembers those, bro, who remembers them 2.5k, what firm was that where he was doing those 2.5k accounts for like $10 or some shit? Oh, what was it? What firm was it? Was it EquiEdge? It was EquiEdge, wasn't it? Yeah, it's EquiEdge. Yes, it was EquiEdge. I'll be real, that was such a fun time. Full port in those 2.5k accounts, every news event was so fun. We'd do it every time in the office, man. It was so good. Yeah, EquiEdge, I thought it was. We still want to see this come down a little bit lower. Get reminders to work out. Yeah, the 2.5k challenges were a literal joke. Like, it's just a fucking... I don't even know why the prop firm sold them, to be fair. It's just not a smart move from the prop firm at all. Fucking hell. I mean, hey boys, with 1 off 1.530. Just sub. Sub to that shit, man. I'm leaving that there and I'm waiting for that to go to 1.53. You boys are not allowed to see the charts until we see that. To be fair, I bet people were just buying them for... No, that's what everyone did, bro. I swear down, that's what everyone did. Like, in that time, that's exactly what everyone was doing, man. Literally exactly what people were doing. What's the best prop firm to go with in your opinion? It's a good question, man, because my mind's flipped in the last like year. I would say FTMO, avoid. What's that on my arm? Boys, come on, someone sub. Someone just fucking sub to the YouTube, bro, so I can fucking put this phone down. God damn. God damn it. But yeah, the reason why I would say don't go with FTMO is their spreads are so shit, it actually hurts. Man, at times I've not been entered into a trade. Man said avoid FTMO. Avoid FTMO. Trust me. If you have an FTMO account, you will know exactly what I mean. Who else is funded with FTMO here? What is that on my arm, bro? Is anyone else funded with FTMO? There you go, mate. I subbed and yeah, I'm funded with FTMO. Stop the cat! Unless someone unfollowed, which someone is getting beaten to death if that's the case. There you go, mate. I subbed and yeah, I'll follow with FTMO. Kaya, how poor are their spreads? How bad are they? ACG, bro. ACG, much better spreads. You can get you can get pretty much no spread accounts. Or no commission. I'd say no spreads. ACG for me. ACG for me are the funding pips and ACG. Best prop firms at the moment. Hands down. Hands down. Yeah, Alpha Capital. I've been trading with them for a while. Yeah, ACG. I've not been trading them for as long as I've been trading FTMO. But my FTMO account I've had for quite a long time. So many trades I've not been placed in. Losers. I've not lost a few trades. I've not won a few. Like, bro, it's actually jarring. Like, it's actually shit. It's actually awful. Top Step on top. I've not used Top Step, to be fair, bro. I've not used them. Fair play. Fair play. I've heard good things about them, to be fair. I have heard some good things. Yeah, they are good, I can't lie. Wait, who's that? What? Top Step? I've heard good things about Top Step. I really have heard some good things about them. I've seen, yeah. What pair? Well, we're currently flicking, but this is Euro GBP at the moment, bro. Currently just eyeing up. Looking to long off the DTO. Bit of a higher TP for the CRT, but this would be a bit more of a swing. Say swing, it won't. Be like a should TP today, if it does have to move. But bearing in mind, in terms of news, boys, we've got NFP quite close. What about Quanteco? They're very good, giving you a quick payout account. I'll be real. I don't like Quanteco, bro. The reason why is because they were bugging us, like proper bugging us to affiliate for them. Like they were trying to do anything in their power for us to affiliate them. They pay us like £1,000 a month. No, I think it was like 1,500 quid a month for like 6 months. Fucking like free accounts all the time and stuff. But then, bro, like they kept bugging me down, and then there was one guy who came into my Discord while I was streaming and started talking bare shit, like just doing bare weird stuff. So, bro, I'll be real. Fuck Quanteco. That's ruined it for me. Yeah, Funded Next are very good as well. Funded Next are good. What the fuck is this EGCRT? Oh, sorry. What time frame? Why does TF there look like you're saying the fuck? It's weekly CRT, bro. So it's the weekly bearish candle in a bullish scenario. Just this candle here, my boy. We've grabbed the low. Now we're looking to come grab that lovely high. They're a small prop firm. Yeah, they are a small prop firm, yeah. Buy. What are you telling me to buy? 1.13 GU buys. You're looking at. Oh, you're looking for. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I mean, to be honest, bro, I don't go off price. Like just price points. I want to wait for structure to actually tell me that it's changing its move. Bro, Top Step Futures. Wait, does the COE reckon an EG buy off the ETO? What does the COE? What does the COE think? What does the main man think? Bro, Top Step Futures is so weird. I passed the phase 1 in one trade, and then it said I can't make more than 50% of the profits in a single day. That's so stupid. What did you risk? Top pairs, I mean, it's very subjective really, but for me, EU, GU. Right, no cap, I've actually got socks with my dog's face on, no cap. That was the gayest thing I've done in a while. Not gonna lie. Why did I just do that, bro? That was actually, you felt bare weird and like homosexual, okay? Go on, jump off, baby. I mean, that rule makes sense to me. That rule makes sense to me. The 50%, you can't make any more than 50% in one day. That does make sense to me. Wait, you need to make 9k on a 150k. Ooh, that's actually quite shit. Now I think of it, that's actually shit. Because yeah, I just realised that futures you need less profits. So what does that work out as? What's 9k profits on that in terms of percent? Yeah, I mean, I'm waiting for price to start reversing, really. That's what I want to start seeing. Not EG, do something. I'm going to jump off in the next 5 minutes, boys. Nice. Like 6 to 7%, yeah, so you can't make 3%, bro. World's Bro, and yeah, when you make profit on a live account, you have to have 5 days of $200 each to qualify for payout. Wait, what? Yes, Sam. What we saying, broski? Wait, what do you mean, EK? Bro, when you make profit on a live account, you have to have 5 days of $200 each too. Bro, so let's say you made 4 bags, then you have to have an extra 5 days of profits too over $200. Ah, okay, yeah, I got you. So, in other words, not one... No. Oh, bruv. I'm not even too sure. I can't depict what that even means, bruv. Not gonna lie. Is there a name for the rule? Bro, what is this, bro? Look at this training method. Yo, that is crazy, blood. Is that mad? Bro. Is that a joke, bro? Don't you have to keep a buffer too? Yeah, you'd have to keep a buffer. You'd always would, yeah. I send you a message private. Okay, my boy. Can I set my limit? If you want to, bro. We're saying to Lou, we're saying 5th of July, up for paintball. Oh, yeah, I'm up for that, bro. Bro, why ACG tripping putting restrictions on me for BS? What, did they, have you got like are you on a high risk account, low leverage? Is that what they put you on? The pair is always oh, you can't really see it. Just at the bottom there, bro. Euro GBP, I'm looking at right now. Yeah, did you get put on a low leverage account? I need to go and walk this too, not look. I need to go walk this dog, not looking good for my tens. Yeah, trust. Hey, that's my goal as well, Stu, 10k steps a day. I've not hit it, fuck no. At all. Type shit. But yeah. We really not moving, lads. Yeah, equities are up. Equity futures are up nicely. We're going to see S&P, Dow Jones, US, NAS 100 come up nicely. They reduced my leverage based on my evaluation. Got £2 successfully and asked them to go to 100. Why? What do they say no to that? I think if you're then got slapped with a max 1% risk. Oh, that's calm. I'll be right. 1% risk is calm, to be fair, bro. Did you get your 1 to 100 leverage back, or you still want like the 1 to 30? Yeah, leverage is still 1 to 30. That's fucking annoying, man. That's very annoying. Yeah, 1 hour time frame we're on, bro. Sweet Tommy, I see you in pre-London, my boy. I'm gonna jump off as well, boys. It's 10:30. I've been on a stream for about 4 hours now. So yeah, you man, love you all. Catch you man. Lou's gonna be on for New York, boys. So if you boys are trading NFP or just speculating around the charts and later on for New York, Lou's gonna be live at 1 PM. So make sure you boys jump in there. TikTok, sweet my people, love you all. I'll talk to you man in a bit. Lou's gonna be live as well. So yeah, sweet boys. Let's face it, the leverage is minor. I have a fund account 1 to 3 leverage. Yeah, that's fucking still a bit high. But no, it's next week we're doing giveaways, EK. We've got 200k ACGs accounts to give away, discounts, whatever the fuck. 1-to-1 mentoring we'll probably give away as well, whatever it'll be. I'm gonna shoot an announcement in the Discord today about it. But yeah, boys, I'll catch you man in a bit. Love you all. I'm active in the Discord all day, so if you boys got any questions, man, give me a